Alpine WSG is the best starting product for interior residential pest control because it combines proven efficacy with flexible application options for common indoor pests. Alpine WSG is a wettable granule formulation of dinotefuran that works quickly on contact and by ingestion, making it effective against German roaches, spiders, earwigs, ants, and other indoor invaders. Mix and apply Alpine WSG according to the label, using a precision measuring device and clean water to achieve the correct concentration for crack and crevice treatments versus spot or baseboard applications. For long-term control of roaches, add an insect growth regulator and apply it as a separate treatment or tank mix only where the label permits, because growth regulators prevent breeding and reduce rebound. When treating multi-unit buildings, emphasize non-chemical measures first, such as sanitation, clutter reduction, and exclusion of entry points. Then apply Alpine in targeted voids and along edges to minimize wasted product and customer exposure. Rotate active ingredients every few treatment cycles between products with different modes of action to slow resistance development, and document products used and dates to justify choices during follow-up visits. Always perform a thorough inspection before treatment so you can select application sites that maximize contact with the pest, and schedule a follow-up within 2 weeks to check efficacy and adjust treatments if necessary. 3 common mistakes are over-application in living spaces, failing to combine a residual insecticide with an insect growth regulator, and not verifying results with follow-up inspections. Over-application increases risk to occupants and wastes product, so stick to labeled rates, treat cracks and voids rather than broadcasting in open areas, and use targeted spot applications for high-activity sites. Skipping a growth regulator leads to short-term knockdown but recurring infestations, so add or alternate a labeled insect growth regulator when working on roach populations, and explain the breeding suppression benefit to the client. Finally, neglecting follow-up causes missed treatment failures and unhappy customers, so schedule and perform follow-ups, record findings, and be prepared to change chemistry or application method if callbacks indicate reduced efficacy. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users and professionals share practical tips about products like Alpine WSG and treatment strategies. We help contractors find paid work by listing projects and letting them engage with homeowners directly, while homeowners compare experiences and ask questions in our community.